Welcome to the Canaccord Learning Commons, commonly known as the CLC. We're located right inside of the Henry Angus building on the second floor. With school starting up again in person, we wanted to share some insider tips and facts about the CLC as both solder students and CLC enthusiasts. Let's hop right into our first tip.
Tip number 1. Did you know we have 364 charging ports in the CLC? The most commonly used ones are in this area. And if those are all occupied, you can try here. Every study room also has at least 2 charging ports, and some even have HDMI cables for you to connect your laptop to the TV, which can be useful for practicing group presentations for your solder classes. If your laptop needs an adapter for the cable, no worries, you can borrow one from the front desk.
Tip number 2. The CLC has a lot of study spaces, but some areas are designated as collaboration and some as quiet areas. It's like an unspoken rule at the CLC. For example, the personal cubicles on the second floor and certain enclosed areas are both quiet sections for personal studying. Please respect others' need for silence here. Otherwise, people might give you some glares. However, in more common areas like the main center area on the first floor, this is a really great place for group collaboration where you can chat and brainstorm with your peers. The tables are also pretty big, so there's plenty of room for everyone to sit around and share. If you want more privacy, a study room is always a safe option for collaboration. This leads right into our next tip.
Tip number 3. As weird as it may sound, study rooms improve your solder experience. The CLC has 17 rooms available for solder students to book to study, meet for group projects, or just chill. Note that the space gets really busy during exam season, so try to book 1 week in advance to ensure you secure a spot for the upcoming week. That's it for now. We hope these facts about the CLC and tips will go into good use during your next visit here. We're excited to see you at the CLC this fall.